What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 1 of Extra Long Shorts. Extra long! Alright, so here we go. This is it. It's taped up. And yeah, I mean, nothing, crazy about it. This is 15 by 138 inches. Now, I know it's not going to go ahead and cover the whole wall, but it's going to be just enough. Should be just enough to get me started for my small little space to use as a background. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this bad boy going. You gonna help out? This is, first person view. Everything that you guys are gonna see while I'm, in each of the videos. So I'm figuring out, do I really need the whole space? I don't. And again, this is a more zoomed out look of what it is, but on camera, it's not gonna be. Oh boy, my cat stuck me in the toe. Really? Yeah. So I'm thinking this middle square right here is all I need. This is how it is now, which you guys are really gonna see. This square is genuinely what I need to go about covering the first time around. Okay, so again, this is it zoomed in, which you guys are gonna see. This is. Can you see? What about you, Minato? Oh, he's gonna jump on there. Looks good. Now imagine the whole wall with this. Yeah? Hey Siri, call Dave. Talk to her. Put this out of the way. Oh, here she goes. Hello? Upstairs in the attic, the YouTube studio, and I got the wallpaper in today. I was trying to do it now, but I really wanted to, I think I may need your help to do that. Where you at right now? Oh shit, I forgot. I'm sorry.
Can you see me? So that's what he's watching the eye. It wasn't that bad.
So, as you can see, it came out pretty damn good. I like it, It's super minimal. It does the job done. It's wallpaper. I'm not going to try to hype it up to look like I, built a house or anything like that, but it came out very well. I'm happy with the results for the $13.75. It came out exactly how I thought it would, and I'm really proud of it, and I'm really proud of my girlfriend for helping out too. Obviously, doing this, I could have done it by myself, but I would have admittedly had a lot more trouble as far as, making sure that it's, slanted and not slanted and straight and everything's leveled and line to the square, that little square space that I needed to align it to. But yeah, thank you, Shanice, for your help. I love you and can hope you continue to support me as you have, and I'll continue to support you as I've always done. But yeah, like I said, this is looks really great, and this is just, one of the it's a small thing you can do to help contribute to the aesthetic of your YouTube channel. So before we go, I just want to say thank you for watching this episode of Extra Long Shorts. Extra long! It's something new that I'm trying out, where from making short form content into slightly longer form content on any given subject or product that I want to do a review on. Once again, feel free to support me by clicking that link in the description, and don't forget to check us out on all our social media platforms for more behind the scenes content. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, my name is Lau, and this has been an episode of Extra Long Shorts. Extra long! Good night, everybody.